Hello girls and boys, of course, because I saw recently couple guys on my channel. Welcome to them. I really appreciate your time, guys, stopping by and watching my videos. Thank you so much for doing that. And for this video I will have another review. I'm going this time with BH Cosmetics. This is it's gonna be my first palette from them. I heard so many good things about them here on YouTube. It's a very affordable brand, and as usually, for example, this palette was $22, and this one is a limited edition. It's Carli Bybel. Probably I'm not saying right, I don't know, but anyway, this is the palette. It's a limited edition palette from BH Cosmetics. This one has 21 color eyeshadow and a highlighter palette. I will show you in a minute this one. I will have couple reviews. Actually, I have 3 palettes from them. I will have a review for each one. As I said, I saw this palette on YouTube. Many of you are using BH Cosmetics. To me it's new. I never bought something from them, but as I said before, I had a ton of coupons at Kohl's and rewards, so I saw those palettes, then also the 4 palettes that probably I showed you, or I'm showing you right now, not right now, in my videos. Anyway, this is a Carli Bybel, whatever was the name. Apologize for not pronouncing that right. It's a deluxe edition. Here is the back of this palette, and this one was at Kohl's $22.50. So it says here, aspire to inspire. Small eyeshadow pens, comes with the mirror, of course, it's here, and here is the palette, and we have also highlighters and whatever is there. So I'm gonna try to see if those are having any names. No, there are no names in here, which make it easier. I'm just gonna show you the colors of this palette. It says here eyeshadows and highlighter palette, so I believe everything what's here are highlighters, those and also there are 21 eyeshadows. So I'm gonna start with the first one. This is my first BH Cosmetic palette, is this one, and I did so many swatches because I was filming review after review. I feel like my hands are, although I washed them many times, I feel like my hands are changing the natural color. And here is the first shade. As far I can see, not very powdery in my opinion, and also they blend well. So here is the first one. As I said, no names. Here is the second one. This one right here. Pretty. The third one. Me, for example, I would use this one for to cut the crease. Then we have another pretty shade, is this one right here. Here is the shade of this one. It is pretty, I like it. Then Love this one right here, really pretty. Next we have an eyeshadow that looks like a highlighter. Is this one. And here is the shade. Nice also. We have a matte shade. Which is quite light. Is this one right here. Next one, it's still a matte shade. The pens are quite small. And this is a pretty one also. Next one. I bet I'll like this one. And I'm right, I do like this one. Then we have another two matte eyeshadows. Here is this one, pretty color. I have lots of eyeshadows under my nails, so I apologize for that. It's impossible to not pick something under your nails because the pens are very small. And we are with this one right now. And here is the shade of this one. Here. It's a base. Then we have a gold tone. This one right here, which looks like a dark gold and more close to a bronzer shade. We have another matte color which will go well on your crease. Is this one right here. And we have two more eyeshadows, and I'm gonna try to pick the two of them. So here are the last two, is this one and this one. A bit powdery but blends very well. So here are the last two. So far I think the eyeshadows are okay. There are a couple colors that I really like. Many colors that you use regularly, like base color or colors that are going in your crease. So I think this is a good palette, you have everything you need. Then let's go the highlighters, and this is the first one. Actually, let me clean my hand because oops, I don't have wipes. Okay, I want to make a little bit space on my hand to show you those. And my hand looks like I was at the tanning salon. Here is the first highlighter. This one is in a gold rose tone. Pretty, really pretty. Then this is more in a gold tone is this one. Excuse me, still nice. Which one I like the most? I think the first one. It's my favorite from those two. And then we have I want to show you the print on those because it's really pretty. This print on those, probably those are highlighters too, but the print, it's really cute. I'm gonna show you them as I showed to you those colors, because they are not gonna look as pretty in the next 5 minutes. And here is another one, quite pigmented. You need to go with a very light hand. Then we have this one, which is in a pink tone. And here is this one, pretty shade also. And we have two more. The design is gone. Those two right here. And they look like here. Nice shades, especially the lightest one. Probably the darkest one will look way better after blending more. So this is everything in this palette. This one was called, it's a limited edition, Carli Bybel, something like that. Anyway, it's a pretty palette. It's around $22. Let me know what do you think about this palette. So far I have several favorites in this palette. Let me know what do you think about this one. If you have this palette, how you like it, and how many stars would you give to this palette. Thank you so much guys for watching. Appreciate your time, as I said. Appreciate all your comments, and I'll see you soon with another video. And of course I will have soon more reviews for eyeshadow palettes, because I still have a ton of them. So see you soon guys. You have a great day. Bye bye.